I bought an A45 AMG. Oh man, so what do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Now here she is, man, my facelift A45 AMG, and oh my word, I am so happy with it. It's ridiculously quick. Oh, kind of lost for words. This is kind of like it's a really big moment for me, because it's been a while since well, it's been a while since I've had four-wheel drive. It's also my first ever Mercedes, my first ever AMG as well, so I'm quite excited about that. But I just think it looks stunning with the red and black combo. I'm super hyped, super hyped. So it's running the premium package, so it's got a load of extras on it, but I don't really want to go too much into that right now. This is mainly the reveal, just to kind of give you guys the heads up and to finally get this out of the way, because I've had this car for a while. I know in the last video I said I've just bought one, but actually I've had this car since I had the 695 Rivale from Abarth. It's just taken me this long to get content out on it, so I'm finally really pleased to announce that here is a new car. Well, not only for the channel, but here is my new car, and I'm so pleased with it. It's a completely different driving experience to what the Abarth was like. Obviously German, very well engineered, so the sense of speed is nowhere near like what I used to remember in the Abarth, but I definitely know I'm going significantly quicker in this car than I was in the old one. But yeah, so I'd love to hear your thoughts, but the most important thing is that I am super happy with it. I really like it. I love the color, I love the spec, I love the wheels. Red and black just goes really well. And the interior, oh my word, the interior is amazing. So a lot of you guys are going to be thinking, why did you buy the A45 AMG and why didn't you buy something else? And that will be a separate video, because there's going to be loads of videos coming out on this car. But I think the interesting thing is that everybody assumed that I was buying a BMW. Literally all the comments were BMW, BMW, BMW. So yeah, curveball. I didn't buy a BMW, I bought an AMG. So I'm super excited, I'm super pleased with it. And yeah, we've got some really cool adventures coming up with it. So obviously I mentioned in the last video that we have got the road trip going on. So I will be taking this to Spa, Belgium, and I will be doing that trip in the A45 AMG. But also my friend's got a Giulia Quadrifoglio and a C63S. So if you like your Mercedes, you like your AMG, there'll be two AMGs on that road trip. And it's going to be mad. And we also probably will be going to the Nürburgring. So if this is the first time you're watching my content, my name's Steph. Make sure to subscribe for plenty of automotive stuff. This is my new car. Oh, I don't really know what else to say other than I'm just so pleased. It's pretty much new as well. It's 2016 plate. Only has 12,000 miles on the clock. I don't think I could have found a better example. Personally, I keep looking back at it. You know you've bought the right car when you keep looking back at it. So yeah, no, I'm really pleased. I'm so pleased. In fact, we'll do one last before we I'll do a quick little show you guys of just a couple of pointers, because I think it looks amazing. It sounds so good as well. It does have the performance exhaust on it, which was a must for me personally, having an A45. Without the performance exhaust, you really want those pops on the upshifts, and being a dual clutch, you get those DSG kind of farts, which sound incredible. And obviously you guys all know me, keeping things standard is always a challenge, so over time there'll be a few things that will get done to this car. Right now I just want to enjoy it for, you know, just standard right now, because it looks stunning. A couple of things: that grille, I want to change that. I want that to be blacked out to go with the rest of the car. The wheels look really, really nice. The interior is, for me, one of my favorite things. Look at the seats. So the seats are so comfortable, it's ridiculous. But I'm going to go a full exploring the series video on this, so we'll go into full detail on this. But yeah, let me just show you the point of view. Look at the back. Look at the rear, man. It just looks so mean. And yeah, one thing I do like about the facelift versions is that you get this kind of diffusery thing here. Black exhaust, performance exhaust. Aero kit, it's a must with the aero kit, so I definitely made sure I bought one with the aero kit. And yeah, here it is. Oh man. So yeah, this is the kind of the point of view, if you like, that I now have. This is my new cockpit, if you like, and yeah, I'm very pleased, very pleased with this. You've got so much fancy stuff here which I still haven't really understood, but yeah, I'm sure I'll be exploring that often. You've got the settings here. The only thing this one didn't have was the adaptive suspension, so I don't get the race mode, but it's just for handling. I still have launch control, but it just sounds mean. So if I put it in there, let's make sure everything's temperature wise is all good. Yeah, we're all good. And have a listen. Oh, it sounds so. See, that's one of the that's I can't even speak. That's so cool. That you get as standard out the box, the pops and bangs. It's just incredible. I think that's what AMG is starting to get really renowned for, is out the box pops and bangs. You kind of set it to Sport Plus and it does all that, so in comfort you can still drive it, like literally. I mean, anyone can drive this car. It's amazing. So I'm just so happy. I'd be so interested to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Was this a car you expected me to buy? I'll talk about why I bought this car in another video, because yeah, I did look at a few other cars. A few other cars were very close to be purchased, but this, for me, does everything that I want right now from a sports performance car, or hyper hatch even, because it's a hyper hatch. It's so fast. 0 to 60 in 4.2 seconds. It's just blisteringly quick. So yeah, here she is, new car, A45 AMG. Thank you as always to you guys for all of the support you give me. I hope that won't change. I hope you enjoy the car and we're gonna have some fun with it. So if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe for plenty of automotive content, and I'm gonna see you all very soon on the next one. For now, this is amazing. I'm so excited. See you later, guys.